Liv, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my mini twist. I love doing mini twists during the colder months as my protective style. It's super easy because I can do it by myself, no added hair or anything like that. It's a super easy process and it allows me to keep my hair nice and protected and healthy during the colder months. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my mini twist. Always start off on hair that is stretched and clean and moisturized. So without further ado, let's get started. Great, so let's jump right in. I'm starting off on hair that is moisturized, clean, and stretched. We're going to begin by putting it into one big puff ponytail before grabbing a rat tail comb to section off your hair horizontally. Sectioning off the hair is very important for this style, so I like to stay under an inch in size. The next step is to section off smaller sections of hair for our mini twist. I like to stay under an inch in size, making clean cuts into a box cut. You can use the triangle cut if you like, but I'm not that fancy. Banching that the rest out of the way so we can get started on our first twist. Installing mini twists are actually super easy. The first step is to moisturize the hair with a generous spritz of water only at the ends, isolating the moisture there. The next step is to detangle and add protein using my Fortifyed Naturals Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. Being that we're doing a protective style, adding protein into your hair is ideal, and this is packed with hydrolyzed wheat protein, one of my favorites. I like to massage it in between my palms before applying it onto the length of my hair. It's also a really good detangler, so I like to use this time to finger detangle. Then, to seal all of those goodies in, I grab my homemade fluffy shea butter cream using about a dime size amount, placing it first at my ends and then working my way all the way up before locking everything in, soothing the hair and adding a little bit more shine with the dollop of aloe vera gel, applying it first at the ends and then working all the way up to the very top. Now, to begin our mini twist, you want to make sure that you separate your hair into two equal parts that are equal in both length and size. Holding the hair taut, starting at the root, begin by twisting the hair and tugging. Twist and tug until you have a really strong base, and then continue to twist all the way down. The tighter you twist your hair, the longer it would last and the more secure it will be. Notice how I am not moving my fingers down as I twist, that I am twisting first until it's really tight and then moving my fingers down. You'll begin to notice that as you do this, the twist that is already twisted is starting to twirl up and coil up on itself, and that's how you know that your twists are really strong, steady, and secure. Continue twisting all the way to the very ends until you can't twist anymore, about a half an inch left. Hold it secure with your fingertips and twirl it around your fingers to create a cute little coil, and then you're done. Our twists are protein packed, moisturized, tight, and secure, not going anywhere. Let's grab another less than an inch box size section, benching adding the rest out of the way, getting started with our next twist. Following the same technique, I told you this was super easy. You're going to begin by moisturizing with water, isolating, and then working all the way up before adding some protein and detangling with our Fortified Naturals Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. Massaging it into the palms before working it through the length of the hair, detangling through. Sealing in the moisture and protein with my homemade shea butter mix, massaging that through the hair as well before grabbing my aloe vera gel. A dollop will do, applying that onto the ends of the hair as well as the length. Then finally splitting the hair into two, making sure that it's even in length and size, holding your roots taut and begin twisting and tugging until you have a strong base, and then continue to twist your hair down all the way down to the ends, holding the end secure, twirling it between your fingers to get a cute coil, and you're done. How easy was that? Finished off that section with a total of 3 mini twists. Now to take out that puff and grab another horizontal thin under an inch row of hair. And girl, your sectioned rows doesn't have to be perfect. All that matters are your boxed mini twist sections. Just make sure that those sections are unison and clean. I like to again work in boxed sections that are just under an inch. We're going to begin by moisturizing with water, isolating before working it through. Adding in some hydration and protein using a generous amount of our Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner by Fortified Naturals, applying that onto the length of the hair before sealing everything in with my homemade shea butter mix, applying that first to the ends and then working all the way up to the roots. A dollop of aloe vera gel to lock everything in and to add some shine, applying it on to the length of the hair before splitting the hair into 2 equal parts for both length and size, holding the roots taut and then begin begin creating our base for our twist by twist and tugging until we have a strong base, and then continue to twist all the way down nice and tightly, and then twirling our ends together. Great, and now just continue this process throughout the remaining section. The general rule of thumb that I like to use is every time I move up a row, I try to add more twists from the row that I had before. The more twists you have, the fuller your finished product will be. So if this row has 10, the next will have at least 12 to 14. Now, once we're about halfway through, it's finally time to decide our desired part. I love me a middle part, but it makes me look like I'm 12, girl. So we're going to do a side part for today, using the rat tail comb to clean it up, and then putting it into 2 bantu knots to keep it stretched and out of the way. Great, then just continue the process and follow the technique. The only thing that changes is the amount of aloe vera gel we use. I like to add extra aloe vera gel mainly at my roots while I'm working on the front sections to make it a little bit more clean and precise, being that it's the front of our head. I love mini twists, but I hate how long it takes me. This process took me anywhere between 6 to 7 hours to complete, but it was definitely worth the wait. Girl, your mini twists can last you for as long as you need them to, anywhere between a couple of weeks to even a month or 2, depending on how precise and clean your twists are and how you maintain at night. This is why it's important to pack each twist with a lot of moisture, protein, and nutrients. And with a total of 65 twists, we're done. All of my twists are done, and I absolutely love the way that my twist came out. Super nice, juicy, and protected. Now, my last step is I like to make sure that I maintain my length. Right now, as you can see, my hair kind of ends about here with all the products, and while it's twisted, but when you stretch it out, it's all the way down here, and I kind of want to get that length back. This is completely optional and easy to do. I just grab up majority of the hair because I'm going to be working row by row using a hair tie to secure it, and then grabbing my blow dryer, putting it to the lowest setting and on cool or warm. To fight shrinkage and add more length holding a group of twists taut, use your blow dryer using the tension method to add your length. As you can see, this side is way longer than that side. So continue doing this as you see fit until you find your desired length for your mini twist. When you're done, add some aloe vera gel to clean up your edges, and then you're done. Results, please comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, please don't be shy to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this super versatile and super easy protective style. Let me know if you guys would like to see how I style these throughout the week, or a how to style mini twist tutorial. At night, my routine is super easy. I either put my hair up in one big bun, 2 pigtails, or to maintain my length, I just wrap it as if I was wrapping like my regular old permed hair. Thank you so much for watching, and never forget to live in love with you.